Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home, your go-to channel for all things tech and streaming. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Streameast on your Samsung Smart TV. If you're a sports enthusiast looking for live streaming options, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Scene 1. Overview of Streameast. Streameast is a popular online platform for live sports streaming. While it doesn't have a dedicated app on the Samsung Smart TV App Store, you can still access it easily. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process, and by the end of this video, you'll be watching your favorite sports games on the big screen. Scene 2, prerequisites. Before we dive in, here's what you need. A Samsung Smart TV with an internet connection, a smartphone or computer for setup, a web browser on your Samsung TV. Got that? Great. Let's move to step 1. Scene 3, open the browser on Samsung Smart TV. First, grab your TV remote and navigate to the web browser on your Samsung Smart TV. This is usually called Internet or Samsung Browser, depending on your TV model. Once it's open, use the remote to type in the URL www.streameast.xyz. Press enter, and the Streameast homepage will load. Scene 4. Create a shortcut for easy access. To make it easier to access Streameast in the future, let's create a shortcut. Here's how. While on the Streameast homepage, click the Options or Settings button on your remote. Select Add to Home Screen if your TV supports this feature. Now, you'll see a Streameast icon right on your TV's main menu. Conclusion. And there you have it. Now you can enjoy Streameast on your Samsung Smart TV. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more streaming tips and tricks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.